So I use custom effects to turn boring websites into awesome websites using Gohighlevel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you this super cool effect that I found that I haven't seen on any Gohighlevel website before. Let's go. Okay, so let me break it down how it works. As I scroll down, you'll notice that the images slide sideways. But as I hover on the photos, they also zoom in, which I think is super awesome. It improves the user experience. And I think this works for a lot of different niches. So let's say you're wedding photography or photographers, people want to showcase their work. This looks awesome. Let's say you're a landscaping business, you wanted to showcase previous lawns you've done for other clients, an awesome way to show it. So let me show you how I built this. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is create a section where I'm gonna have all of the photos side by side. So I'm gonna add a row and there's gonna be 5 columns for each photo. So I'm gonna do a couple things here, but I'm gonna add a photo. So let's scroll down. I'm gonna add an image, and then this image is gonna have no padding. So make sure you remove the padding on all the different sides. There we go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is with the image, I'm gonna go to advanced and I'm gonna tag this photo. And the tag I'm gonna use is gonna be called image style 1. There we go. Now, the next thing I'm gonna do is add the actual photo. So I've already saved my photo, so I can just click on it and add it. So I'm gonna go here and add the photo. Let's say it was this photo right here. I'm gonna add it. Now, the next thing is gonna be duplicating this photo. And a cool trick to save you time and keep the properties of this photo is just duplicate the photo, slide it over to the next slide, and then change the photo. This way you keep the margins, like no margins, and then keep the same tag. So if I click on advanced, we still have the same tag, which is awesome. We don't have to do it one by one. So I'm gonna click on the photo, change it again. It's gonna be the next one, which is just another one of these photos that I've saved. And I'm gonna do this 4 more times. Okay, so there we go. We have all the photos ready to go. Now we just have to animate the photos. So we're gonna use some custom code. If you've never done code before, don't worry. I'm gonna break it down step by step. So if you have our Notion doc, you can go to tutorial 3.4, and this is going to show you how to add section or elements that move sideways when we scroll. So if you don't have it, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it, but you can also check it out in our link in bio. So the first thing I'm going to do is add the code so that when I hover the images, they zoom in. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to copy this code right here, which is the step 6. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to inject this code. So custom CSS, I'm going to paste this code, and where it says image style section, I'm gonna type dot image style 1, and I'm gonna use the same one down here. There we go. And I'm gonna hit save. So this is gonna animate the photo so that when you hover, they zoom in. That's it. Now we need to add the sideways scrolling effect. So as you scroll down, the photo is gonna slide sideways. So for that, I'm gonna use 2 pieces of code. The first one is gonna be up here. So what you're gonna do is add a new section on top of this one. It's gonna be a full section, full width, and we're gonna add 1 column, and it's just gonna be custom code. So if I scroll down, it's gonna be right here, and it's just gonna be custom HTML/JavaScript. So once you have it, I'm gonna open the code editor, and I'm gonna go back to the Notion doc, and we're gonna copy paste the second piece of code. The second piece of code is step 5, and we're just gonna copy paste this very quickly. There we go. We're gonna hit save. So once we have added that piece of code, we need to add 1 more piece of code. So let's go back to the Notion doc, and I'm gonna copy paste this longer piece of code, and I'm gonna show you what we have to change. So I'm gonna scroll the way down. We're gonna copy the whole thing, and I'm gonna go here into custom CSS. I'm gonna add a new line, and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna hit save for now, but we have to add 1 more thing to make this effect work, which is this whole section. I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna go to advanced, and I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna copy paste this section here. So see where it says this code? I'm gonna copy this code. I'm gonna go back to custom CSS. Now this first section we're not gonna touch because we've already done the code for this one. I'm gonna scroll down, and where it says your column, we're gonna copy paste that. So paste and paste right here. And that's it. So we're gonna hit save, and now we're gonna preview this website, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. And here it is. This is what it looks like. So if I scroll down, the images are sliding. It looks super clean. I can hover over the photos, they zoom in, I can check them out. An awesome effect, and it just improves the experience of somebody checking out your website. So this is how we turn a boring website into something that looks way better. And not only does it improve the experience, but increases the likelihood of somebody booking your services. And if you want to make awesome Gohighlevel websites, just check out the first link. You can get our Notion doc. We have 25 tutorials and we're gonna keep adding more to just make your websites way better than the templates you get in Gohighlevel. Or if you just wanna check out our templates that we've already pre-built that are ready to go, check them out, second link in bio. As always, I'll see you on my next video.